is Desscaras from Icchi the Witch Black. And while we're on that topic, let's talk about the stigma or negative reaction to black people existing in art and stylization. First, let's actually look at the reasons why people think Desscaras might be black. For one, she has brown skin. And more than that, she's rocking a hairstyle that combines bubble braids and cornrows, which some people find confusing, especially when paired with her bangs that, by the way, look like Afro-textured hair. Honestly, I found the style a bit different too. But let's not forget this is fiction. Anime and other stylized media are full of characters with exaggerated or unusual hairstyles. Just because it's not a textbook depiction doesn't mean it's not valid. She also has twist-style sections on the sides of her bangs, adding to the complexity. But for some reason, people really don't want her to be black. We'll get into why in a bit. But first, let's talk about the reasons people give for her not being black. A lot of fans are saying she's just a brown-skinned Asian, some say tan Japanese, others say Latina, which is funny, because black Latinas exist. And someone even suggested she might be Middle Eastern. Some of these arguments are based on her outfit apparently. Black people can't wear certain styles now. People argue she's not black because of her trousers, her hat, just her general wardrobe. Others point to her features, claiming she doesn't have stereotypically black facial features. I actually found a post on Reddit that goes deep into the idea that she might be Indian. Here's what it said. We've seen earlier in the series that while we don't have real-world countries, there are cultures with strong parallels. For Desscaras, I think she might be Indian. Her clothing, the thing around her neck, looks like embroidery common in South Indian temple wear. And the lower part of her dress? It looks like a cross between a medieval European outfit and a Marathi sari. Her braids? Popular in both Asia and Africa. Plus, she has dark skin. She carries a flute, and the version she uses has been around in South Asia for centuries. Her first magic shows her wearing a veil in the goon hat style, common in Gujarat and Rajasthan. Her second magic is called Golconda, named after a historical fort in India. Even Iskander and Alexander, the characters linked to Alexander the Great, who had historical connections to India. Basically, the post builds a solid case that Desscaras might be Indian with some European inspiration. But it's also kind of funny how people will bend over backward to find any identity, except black for a dark-skinned character. And of course, one of the major arguments is that she doesn't have black features. But here's the thing. Black people don't all look one way. We have a massive range of facial features, hair textures and skin tones. And also stylistic art exists. A lot of characters in stylized animation or comics don't have explicitly realistic features, regardless of race. So how can people claim she can't be black when characters in anime don't even look Japanese most of the time? It's just weird how the moment a character is dark-skinned, people want to dissect everything. Suddenly everyone's an expert on geography, anthropology, fashion history, and cultural hairstyles.